Alright, so what you're looking at here is this 42-inch Litex Deluxe or Signet ceiling fan made by Aircool. Well, basically it's Litex, but anyway. I finally got some parts on this. The cane blades came from eBay, and the mounting bracket came from eBay, which I also want to thank my friend John Reed for helping me out with the mounting bracket. Thanks, John. And I'm very happy I have the cane blades on them too, and I'll go ahead and turn the light on so you can see it better. I'm probably going to leave it on, so do a little close-up. There's the floral globe. Actually came from my satellite spinner. Footprint vents. And I also have it flush mounted. And then the blade bracket. And there's the cane. Which I really love it on the Litex. And I gotta say, it looks really nice. And I think that this is like from the late 80s. I forgot to check the year of it. I know it's got a year on top on the sticker, but I forgot to check it out. But oh well. Anyway, it's an antique brass finish. At least I forgot to mention that. And it's reversible. So we'll go ahead and start with low. Turn the Emerson down. Oops, sorry. Alright, so there's your low speed. Oops, sorry. Here's medium. And it moves decent air for medium. Okay. And here's high speed. And it's definitely putting out some good decent amount of air. So I'll show you the airflow. Show you on top. Back up a little ways. Go ahead and do a little zoom in. I do gotta say, it does look really nice, especially with the schoolhouse globe. I might have to find one for it, because the floral globe belongs to the satellite spinner. That's okay. I do like the looks of it. And this is exactly how I wanted this to look when I first got it. I got it 2 years ago from Habitat. I think I got it for $20 or 15. I can't remember. My memory doesn't really remember much, but yeah. But anyway, we'll go ahead and shut her off. My battery's about to die. I'll probably go ahead and stop it because my battery doesn't want to stay on, but whatever. Alright. Sorry about the shakiness. So anyway, there's your 42-inch Litex ceiling fan. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.